Do you know the deadliest animals in the world? Number 1 will surprise you. Number 5, the hippopotamus. It looks harmless, but kills more people than lions every year. Number 4, the box jellyfish. Its venom can shut down your heart in minutes. Number 3, the saltwater crocodile. It has the strongest bite on Earth and can drag you underwater instantly. Number 2, the mosquito, the deadliest animal in human history, responsible for millions of deaths. Number 1, humans, the most destructive species on the planet. Terrifying, right? Follow for more facts.